you wed on that now, Vitravalji?
All right, good morning, everybody, and welcome to the Empowering Morning Conversation, session number 24. And we are so happy that all of us willing to create a positive day of our life. So we are the positive warriors. Who are we? We are the most wonderful beings. And whoever we meet, we will greet them with the same feeling that each and every person that we meet in our life is a wonderful, magnificent, extraordinary human being who deserves to be loved and respected for who they are. And on this very, very auspicious day, which is the birthday of our dear friend Rama, you know, all of us, let's join together and beam some really powerful, loving, and healing energies to him. Okay? I'm not talking about the romantic love, I'm talking about the divine love, pure loving energy. Let's beam. So let's close our eyes and beam some of that loving energy to him so that he's empowered and he can empower more and more people. So I don't think I have to remind you that the purpose of this entire program is so that we can have a life of ease, joy, and glory. In this morass, in this daldal, this morass of negativity that is going on, increasing day by day, we are going to spread out ripples of positivity. Like when you throw out stone in a pond and these ripples go out. So whichever person we talk to and whichever person, whoever we meet, whoever we talk to, whether it is real or whether it is virtual, intentionally we will beam a lot of positivity all around. Yeah, so if anybody is getting into a negative conversation, we can always say to them, hey, stop, we are alive, isn't it? Are we committed to having more and more people be alive and healthy? Committed to have more and more. See, one of the things that I have discovered in my life and I've learned about it and I've seen it happening is whatever you focus on will become real in your life. So if you focus on the positive, you will have more positive in your life. If you focus on the negative, you will have more negativity in your life. So what is it that pulls your focus? Check that out. Now we get pulled. Haven't you noticed that we get pulled? We get drawn into. We get pulled into negativity. Because all of us here, we are very empathetic people. We are empaths. We start resonating when somebody is miserable. We start resonating with them. We also take on some of their misery. But that doesn't help them, my friends. So if we can retain our positivity and let them resonate with our positivity. So remember, the way the world influences you is through your feelings. So if you want to influence the world, how will you do that? Through your feelings. Because people are going to resonate with you through your feelings. So whatever feeling we generate, they are also going to pick up that positive feeling. So what do you want to do? Do you want to make people resonate and cause more misery because everybody is resonating with this negativity? Every day you will hear one person passed away. Today morning I got bad news that my very, very dear friend who was very right hand man of Sri Ravi Shankar, she passed away, right? Should I add more doom and gloom to already what is there? There was a book which was written by this Parsi lady many, many years ago. and she lost her two sons in a automobile incident, and those sons were communicating to her after passing away, and she's written 3 books about it, very, very interesting books. You should read them. And she's, and what is there is that, listen, the people who passed away, they only want one thing for you. You know what is that? People who are no more there, what is it that they want for you? Can anybody enlighten us?
Blessings, happiness.
They want you to be happy. That's all they want.
So they want us to remember.
They want you to be happy. They want you to have happy memories of them. They are very clear that they are still there somewhere in a happy place. So we've got one more reason to be happy, guys. Remember? And I'm going to give you everyday reasons to be happy, reasons to celebrate. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to create positivity today. And we will start by doing something which is guaranteed to start the day with positivity. So when I say 1, 2, and 3, what is it that you will do? You will all laugh 100% without making a sound. So 1. Suresh Kumar struggling. Happy if you are yawning. So today is the beginning of the celebration of something that we called life, Let us start celebrating it, every moment celebrating it. And today is the day when I'm going to follow Nidhi's suggestion. Nidhi said, sir, we are going on mourning the people who have died. How about celebrating and appreciating the people who are there with us and alive? Okay, so that's the exercise I'm asking all of you to do. And one by one, you will bring into your mind someone who is there in your life. Even if they have passed away, we can celebrate them, So think of one person in your life and think of what is something so special that they have brought into your world. And let us appreciate and celebrate that and feel grateful for that. All right, great. So now pick up another person from your life, whether they are alive or not alive. Preferably pick up the ones who are still there to begin with, right? Pick up another person who's there in your life and visualize them and be aware of what is that something special that they are bringing to your life, and allow yourself to appreciate them, send them your love, and celebrate them being in your life. Now pick up one more person who is so special to you and who's there in your life, right? And think of them and think of what is so special that they bring to your life, and allow your loving energy to go to them and celebrate your life with them now. Go ahead. Every one of you, think of somebody who brings something special into your life. And send out your loving energy to them. You don't have to tell us about it. You visualize them and celebrate them. Send them your loving energy. So focus on giving that energy to them. Celebrate the ones who are there with you now in your life. Rishabh Kumarji, you also think of somebody special who is there in your life right now and send your loving energy to them and celebrate that relationship. Okay, now pick up another person from your life. Another person who brings something special to you. Everybody brings something special, whether we realize it or not. Right? So think of another person, send out your loving energy to them, and celebrate your relationship with them. That we are here on this planet together, alive, playing like little children, having fun. Now think of another person in your life who's there. You know, it could be children, grandchildren, uncles, aunts, friends, whoever's there, right? Think of them, send out your loving energy to them, and celebrate your relationship with them. Allow yourself to be open to think about them and let the energy flow begin. You know, when you really think about someone with love, there is a to and fro flow of energy with them. Sandeep, if you are actually doing it, you will not be looking so serious, you know, you'll be looking so happy. So think of another person in your life. You know, you might even think of someone about whom you are thinking, bloody hell, why the hell is that person alive? Hello? They're alive because they're there to bring something special to you, even if it means some suffering or challenge. So you can celebrate that also by sending loving energy to them. Hey, thank you very much, my friend. You are making me stronger. You're making me have more willpower. Thank you very much for being there in my life. Let us celebrate this life together. After all, they also need some victim, no? So they should be grateful to you that you are the victim. So whatever it is, we can be in touch with them and celebrate. So now pick up one more person from your life, right? If you want, you can do jointly, you know, bring all those people like a big group photo in front of you. All those people, you know, who are there. You'll say, sir, I'll have to get a, you know, what is that? Different type of lens. I can't fit them. There are so many people in my life still there. And think of all of those people and beam out loving energies to them. And celebrate life with them today. You know, we could do this exercise forever. 1 hour will not be enough for that. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you've done it already with 5, 6, 7 people, I'd love from you, how did it feel to acknowledge the ones who are there in your life today and feel the energies, and how do you feel because of that now? So, who would like to unmute and speak about it?
Yeah, I would like to say, sir,
Yeah, go ahead.
like particularly our parents, they are so close to each other, to us, that we normally don't think much about them. We take everything for granted. But today, while doing the exercise, I was thinking of my dad, and right from my childhood till date, whether I was extremely successful or I was going through challenges phase, he always stood with me like a solid rock. He and there are so many aspects, so many attributes of him that have always been supporting, encouraging, inspiring me, because of which I stand today and I challenge myself to push again for a new wonderful success in coming years. So that really, that's one. And secondly, Like the picture behind is actually of Chariji Maharaj of Artfulness. He's a third guru. So he was the one, we have not been with him one-to-one basis, but he has always been taking so much of care of almost lakhs, I will say almost 40, 50 lakhs people around the world, like Sri Sri Ravi Shankar. That everybody, if you take a word of him, if you say Chariji Maharaj, and if people who at least know him, they will start talking wonderful things about him. So this is the way, like, even if you leave this world, he is no more in this on this planet now. But he is everywhere. He is everywhere in the heart of every person. His teachings are there. His love is there, and everybody can feel his love actually. In spite of 5-6 years he has passed, we can still feel him and his love, his care among us. I will just like to say two, so others can share more. Thanks for the opportunity.
Very nice. Thank you very much. Yeah, somebody else. How did it feel that when you remember those people? Hasina ji, it's your turn now. Cannot hear you. I think there's something wrong with your microphone. We cannot hear you. Anyway, we can listen to some. Yeah, now we can hear you.
Yeah, my JBL was on, that is why.
Okay.
I felt everybody very close to me. And I was very happy being in touch with each individual every time. They were really close to me.
Excellent. So it's good, no? So when we allow ourselves to appreciate, acknowledge the people who are there in our life, and it feels so good. Very nice. Thank you very much for sharing it. Yes, Suresh Kumar, you want to say something?
Yes, sir. I remember my father, who was, the story very well. And today I'm here because of him. My mother is also there. I have never, many years, I have never listened to them due to some things, whatever. But now I feel, I should be thankful to them giving me this life. And there are many people like you and a lot of people in my life. Today I'm as I am. I'm very grateful to them, and I wish them good health and happiness.
Did you send out that loving energy to the people in your life, Rishabh?
Yes, yes.
Okay, anybody else? Please share with us your experience of doing this little exercise. Or anybody else who feels like, unmute yourself and please share.
For me, the people, close people alive, or the known people alive or dead, they're not there for me to take photo, but actually they're all inside me. Seriously, many of them are in me actually. That is how I felt. So it was very nice.
Okay, very nice. Thank you very much. Yes. Next.
So I started with my grandparents because I think maximum childhood time I'd spend with them. There was a lot of love, affection, because we used to eat in one plate also. And there was so much positive vibes around me. So I started with them, then my parents and family, and then sort of friends which are there. It was a lovely experience. I relived the moments actually.
Yeah, beautiful, isn't it? So when we celebrate the people who are there in our life, how nice it makes everybody feel, right? Okay, what about others? Others are muted and quiet and nobody wants to share with us. Shakti, you're very quiet today. Did you do the exercise? Yeah, go ahead.
Yes, sir. I did the exercise. I feel so good. I'm so blessed with so many good souls around me.
Beautiful. So that's the exercise for today. We are going to go out into this world today, and whoever we meet, we are going to spread this, benevolent energy, the positive energy, the peaceful energy to them, beaming it. appreciating and acknowledging every person that is there in our life. Yes, Vitravel, you wanted to say something.
It was a great experience, sir. I gone back to everyone and send positive vibrations. Slowly, I felt little guilty apart from my family, the close relatives who contributed to me. I am not justifying or I'm not talking properly. Something I get a little bit. I should start from today.
Okay, good. So this is one thought which will come, and I was going to give you all as an exercise today. And the exercise is that you will call up at least 2 people who are there in your life and you haven't spoken to. And you will call them up and not talk about Corona, but you will cheer them up to the fact that, we are alive, we are well, and we are healthy, and we are able to talk to each other and we can celebrate. So I ask each one of you to pick up 2 people from your life whom you're going to call. See, there are some people you talk to anyway. All right. So pick up the people who are there in your life, but you have not spoken to them for a while. They come in your thoughts from time to time. So would you make that call today and celebrate with 2 more people in your life today? And in your mind, you can hold everybody that is there and send out loving energies to them as well. Okay. So I'd like to hear from you. Who are you going to talk to today? You can put the name in the chat box, or you can unmute yourself and tell us about it. Your job is to ring them up, talk to them, cheer them up, make them feel good. And when they feel good, you will also feel good. So who are you going to talk to today? Hello? That is a question. Yes, Hasina ji, again you've gone muted. We can't hear you.
I'm going to talk to my sister-in-law's 2 sons, whom I am not in touch. I would say not in touch at all. And that has been eating me up. So I'm going to break that and talk to them today.
And make them feel good about being alive. Okay, very nice. Thank you very much. Who's next? Come on, everybody. I'd like to hear from you. Sirish, how about you sharing? Who are you going to talk to today? Abhinav, who are you going to talk today? You'll have to unmute yourself, Sirish.
Hello, can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yeah, good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Just a thought came to my mind. We were discussing, I'm sitting with my wife here. She's also hearing to you. And she said that rather than, talking to the positive people over here, some people are there in your life. If you talk to them positively, they will think it negatively at all. So
Well, we
if
don't
I
know.
want to talk to such people and make them happy or make them, you can say, feel good.
Approachable.
But they are not approachable. But I want to talk to them.
Yeah, do it.
And how to handle these situations.
Talk to them, you will find out. When you are beaming out positive energy to them, they will become positive.
Okay.
So we don't know. Na? Suppose we give up our prejudgments about them. Have you noticed that we always have prejudgment about everybody? Arey, usse baat karega, wo to sunega nahi hamara. Lot of times we have these thoughts. If you have this thought, then exactly the same thing will happen.
Okay.
Because our belief that we are going to reinforce. We have judged people so much, So when you go and talk to them, and if you are carrying this judgment in your mind like this, then that is what will happen. But if you go with a clean mind and say, hey, I'm going to cheer up so and so. I'm calling up so both of us can feel good at the end of the conversation. So the only way you will find out is by doing it, no? So for that, we have to give up our own judgments which we are carrying. So my request is, enough is happening in this world, judgment or no judgment, the life is going to go on the way it is, right? And who are we to judge? God has not given us the mandate, no, go and judge everybody.
Right.
We are judging ourselves, we are judging others all the time. Maybe that is the cause of our unhappiness, no?
Yeah, right. But what you say is correct. But the experience says that whatever you say, whatever you talk to them, they will never say anything positive, but they would start.
Let them not say. Let them not say. Are you saying it so that they will say something positive? We are doing it without.
No, we got such experience. Whenever I want to have a dialogue with people, some people are there. Always they're preoccupied. Always they have got some notions. But if you try to, ease this tension, they would never accept it. So such people are there.
Okay, then don't call them up. Call up other people. No, you've got enough people in your life, right?
Yeah.
Actually, these are the ones who need it more. But if you're unwilling to give up your judgment, there's nothing I can do about it. So you call up whoever you like, right? The choice is yours. Call up 2 people and celebrate your relationship with them. Because we got all kinds of people in our life, right?
Right, yeah.
So who are the 2 people you're going to call?
Yeah, my friends are there, my relatives are there. Right. There are many people who are really positive. But some people are there.
So think about 2 specific people and make a call to them, right? Thank you very much.
Yeah.
All right. Next. Who's next? Who are you going to call up today? Yeah.
Yes, sir. I will call my friend, my childhood friend called Jerry. And I would also talk to my cousin, Deepak.
Very good. So you got your 2 people. Very nice. Yeah, I can hear you. I heard that you want to call up 2 people. One is your friend, right, Girish? All right, Suchitra.
Yeah.
Yeah, you need to unmute yourself.
Can you hear me, sir?
And a namaskar to your mummy also.
Yeah.
मी काय सांगितले की तुम्हाला जर पॉझिटिव्ह तुम्ही असं नको ना निवडायला.
I'm going to call Rama on his birthday, and I'm going to call a cousin who lives in a very lonely life all by herself, and whom I keep thinking about but never call. So.
Good. But you'll have to call up one more person. Rama does not count. No, you have to call him up anyway.
What, sir?
I said you have to find one more person, Ram.
Yeah. So
Rama is there in the list anyway.
Yeah. So I was just thinking there is another uncle. It's like in a field, the water, the irrigation water doesn't reach some of the parts. So there is one uncle whom I never think about. So I'm going to call him up today. Mom's brother, youngest.
He might get a big surprise and he'll be wondering what does she want now. But good, you do that. Very nice. Archanmay, a lot of people, Vinita, Archanmay, Abhinav, Ashokji, we'd love to hear from you. Yes, Archanmay.
Yes. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Yes. I will talk to my sister-in-law, Vibha, who is in Kanpur, and one of my college friend, who is in Kolkata, Sharbani.
Very good. Nice. Fantastic. Remember, we are the positivity warriors. We are going to make them feel positive about themselves today.
Yes.
Great. Thank you very much for sharing. Who's next? Vinita, Abhinav? Yes, Ashokji. Ashok first.
I feel like it's on 2 people's list somewhere in the universe that I get calls.
You will be there. Don't worry.
I will be calling my benchmates. We shared the same bench maybe in 1953.
That's the year I was born. Okay.
In the school, we were together in the 4th standard. So sometimes maybe 10 years or 15 years ago, we had met once in one marriage party. But I got his address and telephone number, etc. I'll be calling my benchmates in 4th standard when I was there.
Very good. Thank you very much. And they'll really feel good that you called them up.
Oh, yes. That I'm sure. That it will be a rousing welcome. And even our families would be then exchanging. Sure.
Beautiful.
It will make a day.
Wonderful.
It will make a day for today. Sure.
And you know what? You reminded me of some of my friends I used to have in Coimbatore when I was in class 5 and 6. And I'm going to call up 2 of my best friends from that time. I had only 2 friends. So I'm going to speak to both of them today. Thank you very much for reminding me.
I was monitor so that my name doesn't come on the board. Everybody else is. So everybody was friendly with me. So that problem is not there.
Very nice.
Anyway,
Thank you very much.
But I will be calling them. Yes, sure.
Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you very much. Okay, who's next? Come on, Vinita, Abhinav. Abhinav, you are very quiet today. आज बोलोगे नहीं हमसे? निधि, आपके दोस्त बहुत शाई फील कर रहे हैं, बोलना नहीं चाहते हैं.
Hi, Aniba.
अभिनव, एटलीस्ट
Hi.
उन्होंने अपना माइक अनम्यूट किया हुआ है.
Are you there?
Yeah, he's there, all right. There he is. I can see him also with his big mustache and all.
That's a new look of his. That was not there before.
हाँ जी सर, बताइए किसको फोन करेंगे आप? Cannot hear you. आपका माइक चालू नहीं है.
Hello.
Yeah, now we can hear.
Yeah, I will call my friend of mine in MBA. Nidhi must be knowing her. Her name is Bidhi Mundra.
Oh,
Okay.
yo.
That's one. What about the second one?
The second one is one of my graduation batchmate, Mayank. I usually talk to him, but today, in concern of positivity and all, I will definitely talk to him.
Okay, very good. Congratulations. Thank you very much. Okay, so many of you are very bold and you have told us that you're going to talk. Others are going to talk, I'm sure, but maybe they don't want to tell us. That's all right. Okay. So the floor is now yours. If you want to ask any question, you want to share anything. Okay, the whole idea is that today is going to be a very special day. Today is a day in which we will celebrate the special relationships that we have. I also want to hear from you about yesterday. You know, we said we will go beyond some of our perceived limitations. So how many of you did something to go beyond that? जो हमारी रुकावटें हैं, mental, जो हम रोकते हैं अपने आप को, and we said we will do something to go beyond them. So did you do anything yesterday to go beyond your perceived limitations? That will be a nice thing to share. No, yesterday I did this, sir.
So there is this, may I share?
Yeah.
Yeah. So there is this, the Aarti from Sri Ramakrishna Ashram, which has 4 parts. And I was always very hesitant to sing them because 3 of them are highly technical. But yesterday, and they have the swaras, some of the notes go high and lower, and it's almost like a Vedic chant. But yesterday, when I had a call with my son, I simply went ahead and took the chance and chanted it because it's what I had been wanting to do. It felt very good.
Very good. So you went beyond perceived limitations. Congratulations to you. Okay, somebody else who did that? What was your perceived limitation and what did you do to overcome it yesterday? मतलब yesterday you just listened to some pravachan and that's the end of it. कुछ किया नहीं. हाँ जी निधि जी बताइए.
I was doing a very funny thing, but Devanshi just got a call for some little act to be done. So I was like making her learn the dialogues, which is very difficult as a child with her. So getting that done and recording her dialogue deliveries and one dance session. So that is actually challenging. And she being a daughter, she's telling me, Mommy, you just do it. I'll edit. I know how to edit the videos.
मतलब she is going beyond your perceived limitations. Congratulations. Okay, who else? Okay, I mean, if you guys don't want to participate in the conversation, what should I do? You want to listen to another pravachan today or what? I'm not going to give you one. कल का प्रवचन का कोई आपने प्रयोग किया नहीं, आज क्या हम बताएं आपको नई बात? Hello. So what did you do with your perceived limitation
It
yesterday?
doesn't mean we didn't, sir. I was just contemplating that very deep.
Okay, so now you want to share after contemplation?
One good idea also came that is on the process, sir. But thinking beyond the perceived limitations.
You did that yesterday.
Exactly.
Okay, very good. Congratulations. Let's all be happy for him. And anybody else?
But for me, getting in touch with my deeper feelings is a limitation, perceived limitation. So I was trying to get in touch with my feelings.
Yeah, you did that all right. Thank you very much for including me in that. I'm grateful that you shared with me yesterday. Thank you very much. Okay, Rishabh, what was the perceived limitation that you went beyond yesterday? Did you? It's okay if you didn't. Even if you're aware that this is my perceived limitation which is stopping me, that is the starting point. Reddy Garu, Suresh Garu, you're not saying anything. How is that?
Sir, yesterday I was.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yesterday, one of my colleagues, ex-colleagues, who worked with me in Team Computer, he has become a victim of COVID from Chennai, and so I'm in touch with all of my other colleagues like Henry and other people, and just sharing, and I kept calling others and asking them to be safe and all that. So yesterday it passed away. The day went like that.
So what is the perceived limitation that you have overcome?
I was thinking of calling many people I could not do earlier. Thinking, okay, I can call them next day or a kind of thing. So yesterday,
my question is, what is your perceived limitation?
I didn't do anything about that.
You don't remember also. Do you know your perceived limitations or you forgotten?
I don't remember.
Hello, I will have another chat with you separately. Okay. All right, anybody else? Reddy Garu, you wanted to say something, please go ahead.
Yes, sir. See, whenever I talk and I call people, they're talking, they're discussing about COVID. So in fact, I'm afraid of calling people. Now yesterday I decided, no, just call and speak to them. Why? Because always that is keeping me taking back my experience to the issues which we are facing day by day. So I thought I'll call people who are even negative feelings about COVID. Let us speak to them. That's what I decided. Sir.
Okay, very good. Thank you very much. So guys, remember, today is our day to celebrate our relationships. Today is the day when we are going to call up some people in our life who are important to us and make them feel good and give them some positivity from our side. Now, whether they accept it or not, that's their choice, no? But we can always give it. See, very few people will reject a gift. So if you consider that I'm giving a gift of happiness, I'm giving a gift of joy, I'm giving a gift of celebration, I'm sure everybody will like to accept it from you. Okay? But I'll tell you what, guys, if you want to give that gift, no, leave your judgment aside. अरे वो मानेगा नहीं मानेगा, सुनेगा नहीं सुनेगा, करेगा नहीं करेगा, मैं तो पॉजिटिव हूँ, वो होएगा कि नहीं होएगा. Leave it, man. Just give your gift. Gifts are always received. Remember, your positivity, your love, your affection is a gift and nobody will reject it, because they all like to receive gifts. Have you met one person who does not like to get a gift? So if you ring up somebody and say, hey, I've got to give you a gift, you know, that's why I'm calling you. What is the reaction going to be? Gift? Yeah, my gift is that I want to celebrate our relationship, you know. I want to appreciate you for being my friend. I want to appreciate you for being my uncle. Thank you very much. That is my gift to you, sir.
आज हम बिल्कुल भूल गए वो हमें।
अरे बाप रे, अभिनव, चीजों को भूला मत करो। डांट पड़ रही है इनको। Anyways, all right, guys. So have a wonderful day. Enjoy your day and bring some cheer, bring some happiness. Give a gift of happiness and positivity to a few people in your life. And I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And my core team, please stay. The rest of you may kindly leave the meeting now.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.